Hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Krista and
Ryder.
Yeah. So my diet finally was increased today. So I decided that I will share all of my cooking adventures with Ryder.
Yeah, well,
since we've been doing a lot of cooking together.
take with and subscribe right here.
So right now we are going to make egg salad sandwiches. I got this recipe online. So Ryder, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we started by hard boiling 6 eggs in a pot that's just big enough for them to all fit, not to be crowded, but not to have too much room either.
Yeah, take it and subscribe right
And we filled it with water and put it on high heat and brought the water up to a boil. And then once the water comes up to a boil, you take it off the heat, put a lid over it and let it sit for 10 minutes. And then once the 10 minutes is up, you're going to rinse them with cold water and then put them in an ice bath, which stops the cooking process. I still really need to work on my egg skills because the shells did not come off easily, even though I put salt and vinegar in the water. And then I also did Gordon Ramsay, my idol. I did his trick, which is to crack the eggs inside the water that it boiled in, and you let the water seep underneath the shell, and it's supposed to come off like perfectly, which it did not. So I need to perfect that, but other than that, we're good. So we have all of our ingredients already measured out. Okay. And we have the eggs already chopped and prepped. So now we're gonna start. So Ryder, we need to take the butter and the cream cheese. Okay. No. And we need to cream it together just with a spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna cream it together. So this is 3 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And we're just gonna cream that, and it's been sitting at room temperature for about an hour to soften up.
Yeah, whoa, yeah.
So we're gonna take this and put it in. We're gonna put it in our bowl.
Yeah. So subscribe it right there. All right, bye.
We're not even close to done yet, dude. This is just the first step. Okay.
Excuse me. I'm always burping.
I know you're always burping. You're a gassy little boy. That's okay.
Yeah, I know.
So that's the 3 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of softened butter.
Yeah.
And then we're going to stir in 1 tablespoon of Miracle Whip. You can also use mayonnaise if you prefer, but we like Miracle Whip in this house.
Yeah, okay.
The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons divided, and that's just because after you let it chill for about an hour, it might be a little bit too dry to your liking, so you can add 1 to 2 additional tablespoons after you have it. What?
Daddy's sleeping.
Oh, okay, that's great. I know Daddy's sleeping. Okay, don't worry about Daddy. Okay. Anyways, that's just in case it's too dry. After you let it chill, you can add 1 or 2 additional tablespoons to your liking. So Ryder, please stop being rude. See, this is the chaos I'm talking about. Okay, so next we're going to get 1 teaspoon grated onion. Ryder, grab the onion. Okay, and let's put it. Can you pour it in the bowl? Shake it. Okay. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon sugar.
Oh, I was reading it.
Nope. Pour the whole thing in. Pour the whole thing in. Oh boy. It's okay. Okay. And next we're going to pour in 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Good job. And then now we're going to measure out 1/4 teaspoon salt. I use Australian flaked salt. I just really love the texture, and I feel like it just really makes a difference in my recipes. And I get it on Amazon. So we're gonna measure out, Ryder. No, please don't do that. We're gonna measure out 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, can you pour that in? Good boy. And now we're gonna stir in 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. Okay, pour that in. Good boy. Okay. And now we are going to stir this all together.
Yeah, but what about that?
That's going to be our next step, honey. Okay. We have to stir this all together really good.
Yeah, and subscribe and like it and bye. I'm not ready.
We're not done yet, silly goose. Ryder, have you ever had egg salad sandwich before?
Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Yeah.
No, you haven't. This is going to be your first time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so now that that's all combined, now we're going to fold in the eggs.
Well, it came out really fast.
And I can already tell that I'm going to want to add more Miracle Whip. I actually did 1.5 tablespoons of mayo and 1.5 of Miracle Whip because I like that balance between the sweet and the more less sweet in the mayonnaise. So we're going to fold this in.
Where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? Oh, there it is.
It's right here, babe. Okay, just let mommy do this, and then I'll let you do it a little bit, okay?
No.
But we don't want to stir this too much. We just want to fold it in, because if you stir it too much, then you're gonna break up the eggs, and it's gonna turn more into a batter type consistency rather than thick like this. So you just want to fold the eggs in gently.
Okay.
Okay. Ryder, please stop.
I'm just shaking it.
I know. You know, for a 4-year-old, he's actually being very patient. I'm very proud. Okay.
Now what?
So it should look like that. So now we are going to cover this with saran wrap, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for an hour. And then if needed, which I'm sure it will need it because it's already too dry for my liking, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayo or Miracle Whip if it's too dry. And then the recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm going to add a couple sprinkles of parsley.
Okay, try.
Just because we're going to be fancy. Okay, that's good. We don't want to do too much. It's a garnish. It's not, we don't want it to overpower the flavor. Okay, so we're going to get some saran wrap. Some plastic wrap. Okay. And we're going to put it over the bowl. Or as Gordon Ramsay calls it, cling film. Ryder, please don't.
I love this.
Okay, well, you know, I think this is expired because it's not even sticky. Yeah, 2018. Okay, we're going to throw that away. Let's see here.
That would be so really sticky.
Ryder, please stop. You're not being very nice right now. We don't grab.
That will be nice. That's not really sticky to me.
This one is. This one's good.
Yeah. I will put it back, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now that this is covered in saran wrap, we're going to put it in the fridge.
Can I see it?
And let it chill for an hour, like I said. And then when it's done chilling, we'll bring it out. We'll add another tablespoon or 2 of Miracle Whip / mayonnaise in it. And then we will put it on some sourdough bread. I cannot have produce yet. So mine will just be plain with just the egg salad on the bread. But I'm sure Ryan and Ryder will add tomato and lettuce to theirs. And I'm sure Daddy will want it on white bread rather than sourdough. So that is it for now. And we will record again when we are ready to assemble our sandwiches. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, hi, everybody. We're back.
Hi, everybody. We're back.
Okay, so it hasn't been quite an hour, but I am super starving and like chomping at the bit to eat something other than liquids. So this has been chilling for about 45 minutes. It is definitely too dry for my liking. So we're going to try adding 1 additional tablespoon of mayonnaise.
Subscribe right here and get the big thumbs up. In this video, get the biggest thumbs up.
And we're just going to fold it in. We're not going to go too crazy.
Hi, everybody.
That's pretty good, but you know what? We're going to add the 2nd tablespoon because that's how we roll.
Either way.
That's how we roll.
Hey, can I please have
Hang on, baby. Okay?
Hey, did you make a hamburger?
No. Okay. That consistency is way better to my liking. Okay?
Oh.
So, instead, Ryder, please don't interrupt me.
We didn't take root.
Okay, we'll do it later. That's his chia pet. He's reminding me that we need to water it. So instead of sourdough and white bread, I realized that we have these really beautiful brioche buns. So we are going to be putting it on the brioche buns instead. So we're gonna take a nice healthy scoop. Nice healthy scoop. Put that on there. And Ryder doesn't like tomato on his sandwiches, so we are just gonna put some lettuce on his.
Yeah. Put lettuce on mine. Ooh, yum.
Okay. And then we're gonna add the top. And there's Ryder's beautiful egg salad sandwich. I know it's not, restaurant quality or anything, but it's gonna taste delicious.
Yeah, can I try it?
Yeah, you can try it in a minute, okay? This is Mommy's.
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy cannot have any lettuce yet. So, Mommy's is going to be just egg salad.
Egg salad. Put the patty.
Ooh, yum.
Ooh, yum.
Which one's the bottom? Oh, I've got 2 bottoms on this one. Silly Mommy.
Oh, I love tomatoes.
Silly Mommy.
I love tomatoes.
There we go.
I love tomatoes.
Okay, there's mine.
Oh.
And then...
That's Daddy's.
Oh, I guess I did 2 bottoms. Oh, well.
Well.
Bread is bread, right?
Yeah.
And we have just enough. So this makes just enough for 3 pretty hearty sandwiches. You could probably stretch it to 4 if you put less egg on each sandwich, but there's only 3 of us, so...
Hey, can I have some bread?
Hang on, Ryder. Hang on, sweetheart.
I love tomatoes.
Yeah, you do, but not on your sandwiches. Every time I put it on your sandwiches, you'd say you want to take it off. So, okay, moment of truth. Are you ready to try it?
Yeah. Try
Okay,
it.
let's cut this in half. Okay, Ryder's going to be the deciding factor on this. Okay, take a bite. What do you think? What do you think?
Okay. Probably a little yucky.
It's a little yucky.
Or maybe not one. Probably good.
It's good? Okay, can you not be silly and can you really say, do you like it? Did we do a good job? Yeah? Do you want another bite?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's gonna do it for our first video. Thank you for watching Quarantine Cooking with Krista and
Butter.
we love you guys. Bye. Till next time. Our next video is going to be banana bread.
Yeah.
Love you guys.
Oh, you guys love the breakfast.
Suffice it to say, this is probably
but they won.
the best thing I've ever eaten in my life, considering I have not had anything aside from liquids for over 3 weeks. But I have not always been a fan of egg salad sandwiches, and let me tell you, this recipe is amazing. It is so delicious.
Look up.
Not too sweet, not too salty, full of flavor, but not overpowering. And by the way, I did butter the brioche buns and put them in a pan to toast them, and that makes all the difference. This is, highly recommend this recipe, 5 stars. What do you think, Ryder? Was this a 5-star recipe?
Oh, I don't have a top. I don't have a top.
Oh, you have food in your mouth still?
Yeah, but I don't have a top.
That's okay. But, Ryder and Krista approved. Right? See ya.